Huwag kang gagalaw, huwag kang gagawa ng kahit na ano na hindi ka guided ng coach mo. Hey guys, what's up? Coach JDC here. Happy New Year, Happy 2026. And syempre, para mas mapalakas natin yung 2026 mo, isa lang ang tip ko sa'yo na napakalupit na pwede mong ma-maximize this year. This year, kailangan mas lagi kang connected sa coach mo. Dapat lagi kang nanghihingi ng advice sa mentor mo. And most importantly, dalasan mo to spend time to get more ideas and to seek more to your coach. Why? Because your coach is your guide. Yung coach mo, guys, cheat code mo yan. If you have a coach in your life, if you have a coach spiritually, if you have a coach in business, if you have a coach sa gym or sa physical mo, sa health mo, 'di ba? You always seek guidance, you always ask for tips and advice, and do not act, 'di ba? Huwag kang gagalaw, huwag kang gagawa ng kahit na ano na hindi ka guided ng coach mo para maiwasan mo na yung mga mistakes, para mas mapabilis mo na yung results na gusto mo ngayong 2026. Kaya kung gusto mong mas kumita ng malaki ngayong taon, mas gusto mong maging successful in all aspects of your life, always make sure that you are always guided at lagi kang nagpapag-guide sa mentors and coaches mo.